Hello, today I want to share with you this heavy duty aluminum overhead camera stand or phone stand. But first I'm going to give a shout out to the brand who sent it to me in exchange for sharing it with you. So I must say, when they say it's heavy duty, it is heavy duty. It does not feel rinky dink at all. All right, here is the stand coming out of the box. And this is the top piece. Here's a screw and a tool. And then here is the bottom piece. And this is the one that's really heavy. I can definitely tell it makes it very durable. It looks extremely self-explanatory on putting together. Although if you do have any questions, you can always look at the bottom of the box and it has very simple instructions to follow. So you're gonna line up the bottom of this to the hole in here. And you're also gonna make sure there's one side that's like padded. That's the side you're actually gonna want down. And line this up just like that. And then stick the screw in there and use your tool to screw it in place. I love how this also comes with a place to store your tool. I think that's very nifty, especially if you need to tighten this or if you need to take this all apart to store it easier somewhere, you can do that. And then you can tighten this up wherever you want it to stay still. This part moves very slowly. I can tell it's like really durable. And then you can also turn this whichever direction you'd like. You can also, it's like spring loaded, so it's gonna sit snugly around your phone case and it's gonna hold it in place. I love this, so if you're using anything with your hands, you can, like if you're wanting to showcase something, you can do that and you are hands-free, just like I am on this camera. So here I am just holding these scissors right here as I'm using this phone stand. As you can see, it's staying still. It's great, it's compact. The one that I was using to film the actual stand is a much bigger, more heavy duty tripod, and it just takes up a lot of space. And I love how this one is not very big and I can pretty much take it apart and slip it in a briefcase or something like that if I'm wanting to work on content on the go. So 10 out of 10, I highly recommend. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right, bye.